As a data-driven manufacturing operation, CRA Pipes employs a tailored production management system to plan, automate, and optimize its production line. This requires accurate, real-time data about each phase of production, including cycle durations, transition times, and energy and material use. With Eliko's real-time tracking system, CRA Pipes can monitor each individual product as it makes its way through the production line. The factory is outfitted with anchors installed on the walls and the ceiling. Each production tool is equipped with a unique tag, enabling the system to precisely track the position of every individual tool in real time. Location-based events are fed into the factory's production management system, such as the exact moment a product enters and exits each stage of production and its duration. When combined with other data, CRA Pipes can calculate the actual cost of making each product. This allows for a more efficient and sustainable operation. Real-time tracking is also essential for monitoring production quality, as it helps create transparency within the processes. The system frees up operators' time to focus on value-adding tasks, as data recording and backlogging occur automatically. Eliko helps to improve efficiency and quality in a number of manufacturing sites globally. The flexible tracking system can be integrated with existing manufacturing execution or enterprise resource planning systems, or even machine PLCs to monitor and automate production steps in real time. To find out more about how Eliko can benefit your specific use case, visit eliko.tech or get in touch with our team directly.